Hey! Greetings and salutations to you. So, today we've been looking at these beast boxes. We've three arrive. I'll look at them one after another, sequential. Three! Whoa! That's all that talking I've been doing in the last two videos. Three of them. We've done two. Now, on to the last one. This is Darknet, the spider. So, beast boxes are kind of these animals, robotic animals that turn into boxes to be deployed into battle. And this is Darknet, the spider. So yeah, we're going to get the box that it'll go into for storage and the actual figure itself. Also, much like the same with the others, we get a beast box backing card. That's just the back of the box, really, nothing special. We'll put it out there with the others. We get the instructions and we get a card and some other stuff, so we'll just get into that. Carnage around. So you get a piece of paper, get a plastic card, that's to go into the box to help them deploy more easily. You don't need it, I never use them. And we get the card, and we get the catalogue. Let's just have a quick open of that. It's pretty much the same as the one that was with Trident, so I don't really need to go into that again. Right, Darknet. So Darknet has got a high intelligence, high speed, high courage, high strength, and a low defense. Unlike human, the Zerg's language rely on body movements, but their way of communication has its own magic. I mean, it's actually more concise and effective than our language, which is full of obscurities and vagueness. Oh look, his second left leg and fourth right leg is waving at the same time. I wonder what that means. Okay, Beastbox, okay, so we have this guy. He's a spider. He's called Darknet. He's in some very, straight away, we can see he's in some very kind of Spider-Man-ish colours. The red and green, red and blue, sorry. And got some like holographs going off there. Yeah, right, so let's unfold his legs, I presume. That's what we're going to do. So there's a bit of splay in these legs. They're all on hinges here, and there's a hinge swivel. The hinge swivel there, and just a hinge at the lower one. Has he got a... So it looks like it's just the back one that has the hinge swivel. The others are just on hinges. And it's a mushroom peg. Yep, the other ones aren't mushroom pegged on. So that's what we have here. A little bit that pulls out there, I think. Does this pull out? Right, just give me a second. Got an entire thing here. So now that pulls out just so it can go there. He's got his little mandibles and pedipalps, and that head can. The head is on a hinge here. I can kind of come up like that. Probably that's more probably for some kind of transformation thing. It's a shame there's not a bit more on those mandibles, but he's got his pedipalps that can run a rotating hinge there and a hinge here, so it could be a little cute, one of those little cutesy spiders. So we've got that there. Now this, there's a hook here that comes out, and that you twist that, grind it back up again eventually. I don't know if that can hold its weight. I think in the instructions it shows that I suppose if you've got more of these, you can have it hanging off the tower. These are the boxes it comes in, so we do have more of these. We've got another one here. So that'll stack on top of there. Yeah, so even more. I need more. I need more. Well, yeah. That goes in there. Then I think I saw someone with this, and he kind of took this and it probably got a thinner wrist than my chubby thing, and it quacked it around the wrist to try and make a pretend, probably even a kid's hand, make a Spider-Man web firer, which is actually quite a cool little. Yeah, they've had smaller wrists. That'd be could be a little cool pretend web firer in the shape of a spider, but it's got all this cool tech detail that it could say that. Like they just use these little just metal balls here for its, not balls but little pegs for his eyes, little pins. Well, yeah, I mean, what we're all excited about is how this turns into a box, aren't we? So one would presume that we get this. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's see. Obviously, it's quite a small thing because it's a little spider, but if we go this way, here he is with a Siege Sideswipe for a standard deluxe class transformer. G.I. Joe's more your thing. Here he is with Zanzibar, and if you're more of a standard Marvel Legends collector, here he is with Shatterstar. Fuck you, Deadpool 2. Fuck you. Salty. Right, let's turn him into a box. So that folds around there. These kind of will fold like so. There's kind of a You notice some of them have, they have two little slots there, and they have one little slot there, so they fold together quite well. Not sure if the pedipalps do the same. They don't have the same things at the end of their joints, but we'll just have to do the same. So that's a cool little curled up spider. It's a box apparently now. So we'll get this, open this up, and it should, in theory, slot inside its storage thing. There you go. So there we go. We looked at 3 of these beast boxes. This is why you put the things in, because it makes it easier for them to get out. Yeah. So if you just wanted to just, sorry, I rushed that. You didn't get a full chance to appreciate how much of a box this spider turns into. Yeah. We've looked at all 3 of these today. This is the box. They're called box charge, so they regenerate while they're in these boxes. Big Power, the panda. Trident, the lobster. A dark net, the spider. Yeah, it's just a little fun little gimmicky transforming robot animal toy. Fun to have around, fun to have a fiddle with. I think out of the 3, at this moment in time, Trident the lobster is my favourite, with Darknet the spider being a close second. Panda's a lot of fun, but I think it's just not as robot creepy as the other 2 are. It's Panda's very sweet. Big Power the panda is very sweet, especially because it's got a child with it and some bamboo. But the other 2 have kind of got that nice little creepy vibe to them. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you've stuck around for all 3, if you're just watching this one, thanks for coming along. Participation award for you. Till the next time, be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes, and because you deserve it, let's bump fists, shall we? Fisto! Fisto!